Welcome to the first episode of the Northwest Realty end of month market update with myself and Todd.
Yeah, hey guys, welcome along, and thanks Diego for sharing your time with us, which I know is you're a really busy guy. So hey, both Diego and I are business owners here at Northwest Realty, and we just thought we'd get together and have a bit of a chat about the market update, following on from your last monthly update, Diego.
Yeah,
we've found that the stock levels are starting to dry up a little bit, and you were mentioning earlier that there's a little bit to do with values on that. Do you want to touch base on that?
Yeah, well, basically we all thought the market was starting, I guess, slowing down at some stage, but what we actually seen is that the listings are drying up, but what's actually meaning is that all the properties on the market are selling for very good value. So what we're basically saying is that the values are staying strong. If anything, they've actually gone up a little bit, haven't they?
Well, yeah, I think, and that's directly reliant, it sounds like a cliche, but with supply and demand levels, that's exactly right, Diego. But just a little bit of like statistical information on what we do here at Northwest Realty. We sort of, we list between on average 40 to 50 properties a month, and then ironically enough, we sell between 40 and 50 properties a month. And right now our numbers are still into that level, but we are noticing that days on the market has dropped. We're still seeing solid pre-auction offer activity from the buyers, and what that is doing is clearing down the stock levels, which keeps the values right at a premium. So in terms of supply and demand, the supply is lower, but the buyer demand is year round at very similar levels as it is in winter as in the summer months.
Yeah, and I suppose if you've seen as well overall in Auckland, the market last month in April still went up. Sorry, in April the market went up 2.5%, and then in May the market went up 1.5%. So the rise is gradually sort of slowing down, and I suppose that's coming from a low level of properties on the market. But as I said, the buyers are still there, and that's the main thing. As long as the buyers are there, the market will always survive.
Absolutely, and look, we're consciously aware that Auckland's market is many markets within a market. It's a mouthful and a half, but it's true. And obviously we're predominantly, we like to feel we are experts in the northwest area of Auckland, and what we have noticed is that the diverse range of properties across the northwest region helps to keep any time during the year, different pockets of the market are busier, depending on, we've got a lot of first home buyer properties that are still what's deemed affordable in terms of Auckland's values. We have a lot of new builds, there's development land, there's lifestyle properties, there's coastal properties. We feel we're very lucky to be from and work in the northwest region, but in terms of where values are at the moment, it's tracking very, very still at a premium rate, but that is due to stock levels in terms of where the market's moving. Hey, this is the beginning of quarter two where we're moving into. I think quarter one has been very buoyant, and normally that tends to be a little bit of a hibernation period in the market, but we have not seen that at all. But once again, it comes back down to those supply and demand levels.
Yeah, and I guess we'll see. We'll do this on a monthly basis at the end of the month, so we can track and measure where we are in terms of listings and sales, and give you a live update month by month. But I'm very much curious, and I'm sure you're the same, to see what's going to happen in spring, because spring is where everyone comes on the market, and it's going to be interesting to see if the market will still be as hot in terms of the prices. But hey, time will tell, and I guess we'll see you next month, right?
Yeah, thanks guys.
Thanks for watching. Ciao.